case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a significant case, Markman v. Westview Instruments, Inc., revolving around the rights of inventors and the legal interpretation of technical terms in patents. The central point of contention involved the word inventory in a patented system, the introduction of which has profound implications for the interpretation and enforcement of patents. The case sparked from an intellectual property dispute, wherein Markman accused Westview and Althon Enterprises of unauthorized use of his patented inventory control and reporting system. The disagreement careened towards the interpretation of the term inventory present in Markman's patent claim. Further raising the stakes was the question, who should be in charge of interpreting patent claims, a trained judge specialized in law or a jury? A strong backing for the judiciary's role emerged, penned by Justice Souter. In his majority opinion, he affirmed that the interpretation of a patent claim, inclusive of its unique technical terms or terms of art, is squarely the responsibility of the court. This stance was grounded in the pursuit of protecting the constitutional rights of inventors, granted to them by Congress to enjoy the fruits of their labor, while ensuring accurate patent descriptions that reflect the scope of inventions. The court, in its judgment, upheld the Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit's previous decision. It validated the notion that the interpretation of the term inventory, as used in this case, was a task for the judge, not the jury. The ruling was driven by a commitment to ensuring intrajurisdictional certainty and consistent legal decision-making, embodied in the principle of stare decisis. This precedent-setting decision has redefined the status quo, establishing that, in the navigation of patent claims, it is the judges who helm the ship, not juries, to serve the greater purpose of uniformity, clarity, and legal certainty within patent law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.